Hello. In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on OPPO K12x. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. And now you can click open, then click agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, then click allow, and then click consent. Now you can click on this button to start your VPN and click allow. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see here, now I'm connected to VPN in Netherlands. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.